Welcome friends, welcome to the lecture series of analog electronics. So in this lecture what we are going to discuss, that is inverting amplifier. What do we exactly mean by inverting amplifier? That previously we have seen the non-inverting, but in this amplifier what we are doing, that we are providing the input voltages at the inverting terminals of the operational amplifier. So in this the operational amplifier will produce the output as an 180 degree out of phase with the input signal. So that is the basic concept of this inverting amplifier. An operational amplifier circuit that produces an amplified output signal that is 180 degree out of phase with the input signal. So that is the concept. So here you can see that we have some input voltages that is applied with the inverting terminal, and this inverting terminal will produce an output with the 180 degree out of phase with the input signal. So that is the concept. Let's see how it can be possible. So we are considering a node, at particular node A. Here you can see we are assuming the two different currents, that is I1 and IF. I1 is the current which is flowing towards this inverting terminal, and the IF current, that is nothing but that is flowing through this feedback circuit. So for the KCL, what we are doing, that I1 is equals to IF is taken, that both the paths have the same current flowing through this, and what happens in this condition, that I1 is considered as the VI minus VA, that is nothing but VI minus VA. We are considering a VA point over here, and VI minus VA divided by this R1. And for the IF, what we are doing, that VA minus VO, that is over here VA minus VO divided by the RF. And what we are doing, that we are simplifying this condition by applying the ideal operational amplifier concept, that is V1 is equals to the V2. So both the concept are same, and by applying this condition we can say that V1 is equals to 0, V2 is equals to VA and is equals to 0, that is V1 or V1 equals to the V2. If we put this value into the equation, then what happens, that Vi minus 0 divided by R1 equals to 0 minus V0 divided by RF. So further simplifying this equation, we can get the output voltage as minus RF upon R1 multiplied by Vi. That you can see that negative sign over here, that is indicates that 180 degree phase shift at the output terminals. So that is the thing. And for the gain, if we see that A is equals to VO divided by VI equals to minus I RF divided by R1. So voltage gain is nothing but minus RF divided by R1, and that is the here you can see A is equals to RF divided by R1. A is equals to VO divided by VI equals to minus RF by R1. How we can get this? That then it is simple, that minus RF upon R1 into VI is compared with the output equation of the simple voltage amplifier, operational amplifier. So it can be considered that AV is nothing but minus RF by R1. So that's all for the inverting amplifier.